Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to restore the licenses on your PlayStation 5 and fix your PlayStation Store purchases. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So have you bought a digital game on the PlayStation 5 through the PlayStation Store, or maybe even free-to-play games? And when you go to the game, there's like a giant lock symbol by it, and you're trying to play it and it just won't start. How would you go ahead and fix this? Well, it's actually really easy to do on the PlayStation 5. So if I press the PlayStation button and then go back to the home screen here, then go up to the top and go to Settings and select this option. Then scroll down to Users and Accounts. Then go down to Other. And then go over to the right and go to Restore Licenses. And this will restore licenses for downloaded content you can't use. So let's select this. Now it says on here, if you become unable to use content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the licenses for the content. Try restoring the licenses. So let's press X on this. And for me, since I have so many games I bought and downloaded throughout my time with the PS4 and PS5, it's going to take about 4 or 5 minutes. So there's 874 items that I bought. Now, this should remove the lock symbol by the game when you go ahead and do this. Now, this is primarily just for digital games that you bought through the PlayStation Store. Now, after restoring the licenses, you may want to go ahead and enable offline console play and sharing on your PS5 to ensure that you can play games offline. So if this video did indeed help you guys out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more PlayStation 5 tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.